Pak daham katiin. Pak ni manda di katilakan ko te ini ado tho te go jemo ben. Nang kin ni hi anang Pak na man lo le iti hi thai ding ham katin. Kanu ko ma hen. Azo ka le mila ahung ke kap hala mel se lam katila. Na ka jang le pathen lo pi na ha tien. Ai ya chu kong din do ham hen tin. Pi hi le sa la hanga pa na tu ni kin la tai tai na dinga hong kal so. Loi la pai ho hi wen nu la pa pi le pu te hi wen. Za thaya lom thau bung lam kai la hoi hin ho na pang ho a hi en ho sa u pa ho a hi en ke bai khom na cho ma lam kai ho hi dong le na bon chawen ka za na sam pen salam ka hin ti le za la chung chom ka ki yalen zat dang so pi ulan autte ho jang adi a ka wa zo te ho hong rao ding hi jen English pa wa tham cha ka sei ding he ka hin ki ji do en he chi English pa wen akam khamen hum asim to asei hin tuang tin sel teng lai pa wen dong chom sa hin ho li nge let me have a short spin in English, and after that I will also speak another round in my own dialect. This is a moment I have been waiting for since I was a little boy. This is a moment of joy, not only for me and my family, but for all of you who have been with us through the past years. There are people who helped me physically, mentally, morally, financially, and there are also people who helped me through their prayers. I believe that I don't deserve this blessing, but I do accept it with utmost humility, thinking that all this happened because of the Almighty Father, for which I'm very much thankful to God and to all of you. I look back my past life, and so many sweet memories came back alive. I remember the old good days which I spent with my classmates, my friends, my teachers, and everyone who were with me. I'm sorry for this, but I don't have time to mention all your names. But I'll just put this way. I would just like to mention a few of them who are too close to me to forget. First of all, I would like to thank my parents for bringing me this far. They are the best parents I can ever hope for. To all my brothers and sisters, my relatives, my friends, my dear teachers, and every one of you, thank you. It is because of you all that I could reach this far. I wish I could pay you back today, right at this moment. But as my supervisor, Professor S. Mangising used to tell me, giving a gift in kind is not the best gift. But instead of paying you back in kind, I would like to dedicate my life for the cause of this noble profession called teacher. Because I thought being sincere towards my profession would be the best way to pay you back. I'm now 30, meaning I have reached the middle age or the ripe age of my youthful days. During my past years, I have met so many people from different walks of life. Among them, good teachers, or for that matter, the best teacher received my highest regard, my highest respect. Their simplicity and love for the younger generations, especially the students, inspired me to aspire for this profession. In fact, my greatest role model has been my dad, my father, who has been teaching in private schools for about 30 years. That means till recently. Here, I don't mean to underestimate other professions. Rather, I respect them all. I respect each and every profession, as long as it is honest and sincere to the core. Please remember, I didn't say that I respect all the teachers, but the good teachers, or for that matter, the best teachers. And I would also like to put a few words for my junior friends who are here to witness this blessing. Many a times, I thought I was the most unlucky person ever being born on earth. That was mainly because we were financially so poor that I had to face lots of problems or lots of hardships which my father had already narrated before. There were times I was expelled from schools because I could not pay school fees. There were also times teachers would let me stand outside the classroom or stand the whole period because I could not buy few books or I could not buy even pen or pencils. There were times I could not even buy a pair of slippers. And there were also times I would go to bed with a bowl of rice, that too without curry. And again, that too, sometimes without mosquito nets, without during summer season, and again without good night ano. Here, I'm not just talking about my school days. I'm also talking about even my university days. I have been in the same condition, more or less in the same condition till I was in the university. Whenever I face a situation, I used to question the purpose of my life. Why I was born on earth. Why did God created me to face all these problems? But later on, I realized that nothing that I faced was too difficult to overcome. Everything or every difficulties, every moment that I faced helps me improve myself. And whenever I had such experience, I came out much stronger. Much stronger with more challenges. In other words, everything I face in life had a purpose. For all this, I thank the Almighty once again. I have also realized that as long as I continue to move forward, God will always be there for me. Though I never had enough money, I never fussed too much, meaning to say, I may not have enough money, I may not have enough wealth, but I never go to bed with totally empty stomach. There were always one way or the other where I could fill my stomach. I don't mean to say that the food that I got were always good or always the best one, but it were good enough to sustain my life. God always remember me through some friends or some people. Today I would like to tell my junior friends not to lose heart because God is always there whenever we are in need of His help. God will never leave us if we are in need of Him. But I would also like to tell you that God will not help you when you are in a situation where you can do by yourself. When you are in a situation when you can do by yourself, God's help may not come. God's help will come only when you have exhausted all the available options and when you feel that you don't have any more options. He will intervene only after we tried all available options. This is the end of my first part of speech, and I will now come back to my dialect. Abulin hong kita apakit na, ama sa pinento niya yung haapi loy la pai teho, ka oza teho, abialin na buwan sa nga kipatu kansen. La teha long tam iyong na umubin, adi din lang Honorable MDC teho ng abiala kimu inay din. Nahozaw sa dalin. Aking panasay din nga to katrong hong kipikal lawa, kes mga social media ko nakikita dala hong ihiugan, ni ngay lut na sa amin tihi katin na pinagin ka pundo nung inahin. Giang hilam chung message tam pi he kim muen atam zo chu kahung no men kahung thei lo de he kai ti boi na langan chu a hi ena hi de kalung thom hau he jeng ena hi de tu ni hen ya sang abang ni tam zo he kim na lai jan no ho zo si da le abel bel ki pa tu kan sen pathin kan thang ba ki na lai jan he injong minister pa na hin seitan agai bung ni chang som la to hi mun tina I mo dio kata senen ทำสักขัดที่จะอธิบายว่าจางเนี่ยใครเห็นทำตีก็กระเสยดอกนั่นมีบางพาที่ได้ทำมีบางเศษที่ได้ทำคริสต์มาสก่อนไล่เห็น exam เห็นกันหาตัวเอง2010 11 12ที่หัวละเห็นคริสต์มาสก่อน December เลยจะนาฬิกาละหัวละเห็นexam เห็นกันหาตัวเอง2012 13ที่กะอย่างเห็น exam กันในเอ็นละงะNew Year มังเงินฟังใครตัวเองที่จะพักจนแค่หัวบุ้งติดไม่จริงจริงNew Lam Lena Center Church New Year เลี้ยงเป็นกระเทียมเราคนที่เห็นจานลำเห็นกระเทียมมีอย่างก็หาเห็ดเราไล่เด็ดจนกระชังเห็นกระเทียมภาพดังสุดที่เราดูที่องค์เละจานาใบบอกว่าคุมท่าอีเลี้ยงไว้จะทานเปล่าก็ทุกปีกระเซ็นจะจะดึงเห็นกระเทียมนั่นเองแหละหมายจำกินปีหัวหุ่นที่ใส่เจ้าจนร่างกายเจ้าหัวใบก็จำไอ้เห็นฟอร์มก็Bible จังลอตเตอรี่เกี่ยวกับตบงาคูอีกแล้วสาวเห็นที่จะจนหากบุ้งจังชมแล้วก็ที่จะลาหุ่นตัดดอกให้พนักเกี่ยวกับตัวเองที่จะมีความก็เดียวจู่ตุ้มฮิตอีจันก็หุ่นกันเห็นเหตุที่นึงตู้นับปัญหาเหตุหัดใจโบกี่โบเหตุการณ์ที่เกี่ยมาเลยเกี่ยมาคิดถึงเขานั้นของเงินตู้นี่จังยากระสุนหนึ่งเทเลไบเบิลจังกันของที่จะพัฒนากันทั้งหมดเนี่ยที่จะจู่ยาเล่าจนยี่ปีจะตู้นี่ความที่ไบเบิลจังเหตุที่ความห้ามใจยาไม่เท่าเห็นapa posun yang sekarang saya pasien opini ni. Tu ni hen tilpik tampi kat pik nomen. Kat pik dia hoi kasih mah hilat simzo hipoi. Kat pik kat dah hak tu hi lo je sun. Kat sah hi pik dah tan tapi hen kegiatan. Secu nangai kiem di dan. Cái hình khối sungai ini kita hobi hozau si ada lain. Ni nak hiat kiem di dan kau tahu kiem. Anh là tu nhà cái gì nông chuyện cho bên sạp vào bên nông cái xây tại cái chúng ta thỉnh thoảng là bỏ bao thì cái màn cái liệt bị là thấy bị na cái dạng số cái là tuổi na lung thiên tạ na cái hình tuổi kiến dòng cái gió khắm chả na mi đăng teo cái hình cái thổ bị phai nó họ nên là thil pháp vào nào cái hình đẹp bị nào làm bị sum cái dạng lên làm bị phải bên đình dòng cái dạng lên cái chuyện này đình hình phải thiên qua mà giống miền tàu có dinh đình bên ada lên kaum tàu kini ni.
Amen.
Saya ini hitam pi kaum kibot nahi en, ahin la phat hi gyal sangin ahung swat kibota en pidan so ahung ngong kai kibota en nahi le. Kasai nom atam zo hi skip kahin bol dengan hita en, tham cakap kat cái gyal do akam kam hin sei jeng ting. Program ho sudah lewat chun enzo ben kapa dengan holim na percentage so to ki government ahin sei so ke len dia lau chun iki percentage a hoi be se jong hello a result jong ka sei thei be se jong hello wa he a percentage se hi advertise bol ham te hin gyal mai thawati en a hen la hi tia gyal wa ding jong chun gyal thei khop se chwa hi en a ji chu lang khan a sei ding a chu ja cha num ta hi en metric a second class ka hi en cycle exam cho adi dia ke hopi lai cho sei lo wa he na hi jeng en abana phat chu wang chun first class wa thong ki thau na en tiya percentage ka hin so na chu adanga hi po en ka percentage san pa chu ka so hi po en hotel boy khan en pizza chana mu thei kang khal chang ki khai zo lo wa le kha bu khat cha ki cho zo lo wa le ka sim pan na percentage si da na mu thei ting le ha sa tenga ama la ma ki so naเดี๋ยวข้าสิมปานดังที่ฉันนี้อภัทเทียตีป้าเหี่ยอดีอาคังท่าเทียกิติลโคมนาเทียหิดานตีเหี่ยก็ใส่ดอกนมจะไอ้ละวันแต่ก็โซ่นมจะpercentage ก็เห็นตาเหี่ยตีเหี่ยนี่เราฟังเนี่ยบางเล่ก็เกี่ยวเสียเหี่ยพอเจ้าบอยปูเก็บฟังที่เดียที่จะจุ่มที่บอกละไอ้มาเลยมาสปอร์ตที่บอกละวัน percentage ที่จะทำมัวเหี่ยนมตาเลี้ยข้าสิอันนั้นเหี่ยที่จะสร้างตั้มรอตั้มมูดิ้งอะไรที่ก็ยาวมาตุ้มกันเห็นอมจีนเห็นละอันลังขันก็เห็นยาวที่ติงเลยนุ่มตาเลียเขาสิมันเห็นติงก็ได้ก็ไงเนี่ยก็นู้นแหละกับป้าเห็นก็ได้ก็นุ่มสตาเลียก็อินซิมสะอันนี้หันลังเห็นเลยตัวเนี่ยที่จันเดินมันที่ทุ่งหลวงคุยละหันกันขันน้ำมาถ่าที่ไอ้ที่ตรงที่ก็ยาวดอกเห็นนั่นเห็นเลยก็หาสักกันถึงหัวสมาร์ทเห็นกระเทียมกระทำแบบนี้ติงเลยMA master la wasan aki sim chan ge chun atam zo han ilung ge la han dan thein lam jeng ha ki ge len asat na thu jeng ha aki sei jeng ilung ge la chu hi chu hi jeng lung nyau nan aki dimen anyau pin da ki sei han lam hele BA final year ka hin sima pa chun competitive exam ho he ka hin bol ji en ana akat beto hi ga apa se na hiang le sumnei lo jen interview ho yong ana ki chi zo ki ji po en ki cha chu written I thu kam ho yong chu ga sei ti sei da ham avelu umji lo tabang khon ana umji en ki tia gan thein ho chu aki ge la hele apha si hen lung nyau nan tu na a hi lo wa hele ha sam nan aki nei lo ji en a hin la khonung pe hen ka hen gel na hele hi cho zo se hi pathian gon zo he ding en ka hin mu en athum dan en biang kwat ho kana bol ji en 10 plus 2 level hong kana bol ji en ti hin exam zat chom ana ki bol ji en ti chu a chun interview ana chi engting na to chu pathian lung se nen ana mu talen tu nya hi chi ka mu pa he ka mu lo ding a hi en je chun hi chi hi ai pi nom ja pathian en alam pi chu a hin heile he ding en ka dia ne je na belin pathian thang ba ne
Amen.
Tiếng lệ in zo wa ka sei bang chun I hung ki khan thit lam ge chun ha sat gan thei ti te nga hi le sum nei lo pa he kana ha focus in ka gan thei thu se he loi la pai ho ko ma kana sei ji ka loi ho hen angai chung gam ta diu ka ta sen a hin la kununga phai ta ka hin nong gel chun ipiti kong ki gel ha me ti a he le mi hem ki ti hen vai chat na ha sat na za chum a ki nei yen sum la pa ya tha sam a ki umen chi na thep na tha sam a ki umen a hi lawa hi loi la pa ya tha sam thil za chom ma ha sat gan thei na hi to hi ki so ke hi en building no ya ji da kal nei pa yong chun ha sat gan thei na ama kham chal da na nei yen a vai cha pin pa yong chun ha sat gan thei na atu en ti cho zo sila hi kan da na he le ke ha sat na sum la pa ya ha sam na he ha sat na la a ha sat na thu bai pen a hi ka hin mo da nei le si je no pathin ka thang ba na he mi abang ka chu anu la pa talawa chaga inum pa ba yang la pathin min ki ngai da mo hitin anu la pa ang ma anu la pa hon sa hol sa an ni no ma nya thei talo mi tam pi omen ama ho gan thei na chu ha he ding ka ging cha en ke ma gan thei na sa nga ha ding ka ging cha en teng le le kha ke chu ka thiam ka ti na hi po en asim wa nga he thei lo ai wa nga chu la anu la pan private tuition ho ala api a coaching za la api a school pha a kai sa jong a ki ne hiti hen abang chu broken family hi a ai lo la dam wa na za chom ha sat na za chom to a gan thei na thu gan thei tho mi tam pi amen ke ma gan thei ne sum la pai se tha sam na hi en kanu kapa ako na ngai lu na yang kacangin in sum mi ti ako na sacrifice ti dam ngai lu na sang pe na kacangin so pi ula now loi la pai ti ho zo sia ko nen ngai lu na jong kacangin ka ha asan nya kanu la kapan ei va zo lo ni le ei va zo dinga umen en sang ka nei ni lo ni jong le en sang ei cho pi dinga umen anyang pe na se dingen tu ni program ki gon do na dinga ei ke tho pi ding jong he pathen mi tam pi ei pi na hi le ke ma pai sa nei lo sum la pa ya ka ha asam na pa he ha asat na tam pi ho la a chu vai cha na tam pi ho la a chu vai cha tho no pen ha asat tho no pen na he ti hi ka hen gyal do en he le abial de la pathen ka thang wa na he nyau cha khat example in ga ke sei le en zo jang abial valley ni sei ta ben class 11 12 ka sim la ya hotel boy kon to le ka sim kana kop chun hotel boy ke panga hi je chun I dei bangin school ke kai thei kon ipi ka bolam tia hele tu ni ka loi ho hi phalo khat su ka te mai hen abwa na hong zo lo hom ka he pu en hotel boy ka pan kom pi ei ho hen ilung se no ve ama ho hen ka to ading he ei to pi ji ben hotel room ning khana chu mi on pe le kha ina sim sa ji wa ki tia chu 11 12 hen sim ka hi en ki chwa jo se chu ka ke ma ki chang ba choi na dinga ka sei a hi pu en ka ha sat ni kwa jong ei ki tho pi ding loi la pai pa pathen en ei pi pa chu pathen lo pi de dinga ka sei do zo a he teng le bi e kan simin jong tu nin ka wa pu hilanga sal nila chandra usam de aloi nu jang hongin ama bo dinga hin kana umen walden en kana pangen ni gyal ding chun walden chu waza a hi en asi a pha a mo ko ding a hi en ke chu hi chi phat la chu kum som la ko hom ka do ka hin lai han sapang sina in sin hana in ko ka hana ni graduation in sot do hana hi je in I would like to thank Sal Nilachandra and his better half. Thank you so much, sir and madam, for being with us for the past so many years. If you were not there, I may not have completed my graduation and I may not reach this stage. So kan hentin abaneng master graduation ka simlaya jong chun loi la pai pho khat an ke den en zo lam teng le pathin pha sa alat pha nam thia hi la ma ho jong ho dim na den tin loi la pai pho khat kana nei graduation na kana master lang chang ge ama ho hi tu hi san ge hin friends forever ka ke ti ben am na lai jo ben kum nga song se si a ai na ke thu pi so ka sa na tam zo ai na ke thu pi so ama wa he tiang so ka tin lo pi de nga ka sai do hen tin amin se in sei do da tang ting tiếng lệ master ka hin cheu hin friends forever ho ta hin mun song so ma hung ki mun ta in hi ti chun thil ra phat se na ki mu to thei ta ko na hele but hin another round of friends another group of friends in beginning hi cho chu tu hin khonom ka ki ti den hin khonom ho hin tu ni kin program atam zo hi ai boi piu he ti he pathin lo pi na dinga ka sai do kin hen ha sat ki ti che yong le sum la pa ya ha sat he ano me chu ka ti na en a hin la pha se anom so he po in net exam ho ven ida bol ding a hele zakat ham ka ku exam fee ke pe ji a hi exam fee ho ki san in nei lo pha kem gam le pathin exam fee ai pi pi ding om ji en tu nin exam fee ai na pi pi ka loi te ni jam ka ya da en amani ahung lo se en hin min pha da tang ting tiếng lệ master cái hình saya em phil ka hung lut ding dòng hen admission thì cái này cái tập huấn này lệ loại là bài thì họ hen họ thấy boy pi na thấy thiên in a boy pi rồi anh hiện là loại là bài họ số sum này lòng anh thì option admission fee sang segi là chẳng hạn sang segi là chẳng hạn cho sim lại khách dengan atam thâu tài thì cho nó mòn anh này lâu lâu dễ cho ngày tôi là thấy thiên anh ngày tôi bên này lệ mà chạy này em IGNTU Madam Sunita amang so invitation ke pia hung so ka ta po en ama to daya bai pa